जैसा कि मैंने आप लोगों से कहा था कि आप लोग मंदिरों पे तो बहुत गए होंगे, आज मैं आपको एक ऐसे मंदिर में लेके चलता हूँ जहाँ पर रिश्ते बसते हैं, जहाँ रिश्ते पूजे जाते हैं और जहाँ रिश्ते जिए जाते हैं। तो ये है सुधीर माथुर जी का वो मंदिर मालार्पण, जिसके अंदर मैं आपको ले चल के उन खूबसूरत एहसासों के दर्शन कराऊंगा जो हर दीवार, हर कोने, हर कमरे में फैले हुए हैं। सुधीर जी, एक बात बताइए, आपके रिश्ते की तरह आपका ये घर भी इतना ज्यादा हरियाली से भरा हुआ और खूबसूरत है, इसको आप अकेले खुद ही मेंटेन करते हैं?
निखिल जी, मेरे को बचपन से ग्रीनरी का बहुत शौक रहा है और जहाँ भी हम उस घर में भी थे तो हमारे को ग्रीनरी का हम लोग, मैं और मेरी सिस्टर, कुछ ना कुछ नर्सरीज में जाके हम लोग इतने लाते थे, पेड़ पौधे लाते थे, उसको नर्स करते थे और हम गार्डनर के साथ लगे रहते थे एंड ऑल, बिकॉज आई हैव अ पैशन फॉर ग्रीनरी which I am continue doing it, and now as you know that I've got enough time to give to greenery and to other passion
to the
of
nature,
mine.
yes.
Bilkul ji. And my other passion is also along with greenery that I feed the birds, I feed the peacocks, I feed all kind of birds with water and
that I can see.
Yes.
आपने घर के बाहर सब जगह इतने बर्ड फीडर्स लगाए हुए हैं,
पेड़ों में लगाए हैं। बड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि सुबह शाम मैं देखता हूँ कि वो लोग सब आके पानी पीते हैं, बाजरा खाते हैं और यही गार्डन में रहते हैं। मोर सब यहाँ आते हैं। इट इज अ ग्रेट थिंग टू सी पीकॉक्स इन योर गार्डन। या तो रामबाग में दिखते हैं या मेरे घर दिखते हैं मेरे को, तो एनीवे, so that I have a passion, and along with that I will tell you that besides greenery also I have a passion for cars. I am very fond of cars, and also
I can
to
see.
tell you, yes, Hanji, and also to tell you that I have maintained my uncle's old Mercedes, which we have put into vintage cars. Hanji. So every year we take it for vintage car rally, and I am very fond of cars, and I am very fond of the number of the car number. So you'll be surprised that you will see all my car numbers have double one.
Yes, so, that is a
this old Mercedes which my uncle keep is called RZ1. So I keep myself busy with cars and greenery and also with my pets. They are with me all the time.
Sweethearts.
They all the time. And to tell you, Nikhil ji, is that during COVID, I think they were giving me a lot of positive vibes. They were with me all the time. There were 2 staff inside. I could not go out. Nobody could come inside, and I was doing my walk on my terrace. So that was a different and a very tough thing to time pass करने के लिए, and since I was all by myself, because उस time हमने देखा कि सब families they were all pursuing their interest, they were cooking, they were doing so many things, but here I was all by myself. So to pass time, but God was there with me, all my pets were there, and हम उससे somehow बचे रहे. So all these things keep me busy. My social activities, all these things keep me busy, and I think Jaipur is keeping me busy. And today I am really blessed to be staying in a place, Malarpan, where such a busy locality right opposite BJP office, as you know, and but there is greenery all around.
Not even inside the house. It's outside the house that he has maintained it so beautifully.
Haji. And also from any window of my house you will see greenery. So that is I would say I am blessed. And I thank God.
And we are also blessed to know you and to learn so many things about life.